Welcome back to an episode of cutting corners and lashing up a set of Fiesta steel wheels. Join me, shall you? So, today's video, which might be a two-part video, because I'm probably going to run out of paint. The Fiesta, I need to take the alloys off and pull the tyres off. And that means I've got to, and I'm also going to paint the wheels whilst the tyres are off and refurb them. So I need some temporary wheels. And here we have some scabby, well, not that scabby, but some dirty old Fiesta steels. So I've been graciously loaned these, but I've been given permission to give them a little dusting of paint of the silver variety. So I am going to do the quickest, cheapest steel respray job of my life, just to make these look a little bit tidier. So let's get started. First job, wire wheel on a drill. Give it a buzz. Gonna give it a wipe, a dash of primer, and then some silver paint. And I'm probably going to run out because I only had 2 cans in the shop, which means I've got to get 1 can per 2 wheels. Quick maths. Probably not going to work. So join me, will you? So this is what I have. Some Poundland paint. Couldn't find a deck of cards. Got some post-it notes. Going to see how that works. Then some anti-rust. And some of that just in case. Let's see how we get on. Let's get to doing it. Whoa. Wow, that's really good. I'll bring you in. Get all those rusty spots. Look at that. And in here. Yep. Getting it in there. Beautiful. All right, let's get that clean. Pumpkin, pumpkin, squirt, squirt. Get it in here. Get all that black schmuck up here. Look at that. See? Look at that. Yucky. Right. Let's go get some. Let's go get some clean tissue. Give it another wipe. Feel a bit mucky. There you go. Stage 1 complete. Right, let's try and get these in there. Nope, not going to work. Nope, that's a fail. Sorry about this, Nick. But it's... What is going on here? Why does this not work? The absolute. Ah. Sorry about this, mate, but needs must. Couldn't get no cards in the shop. Bit of advertising there. We have to thank you very much. Right, that should do it. I think we'll be all right with that. Right, I'm going to try and find a heat gun and put some warmth into it, and then I'm going to spray it. Heat gunny, the old Titan. Right. Get some warmth into there. Any dust blowing out yet? Get some primer on that, and then we'll get it out of the way and start the next one. And then it just repeats itself. Get those bare metal covered. That's really all this is for. Nice good coverage on this, very nice. Let's hope Let's hope it all. Let's hope it all covers as good as this. I should do that. Let's put some heat on it. Let's put some more heat on it. Throw that away. Kind of weird. Don't know what that is. There you go. Right, I'm going to try and get a bit of this on it. As I said, this is not the right way to do a wheel, but this is how we're going to do these wheels, because they are not going to be winning any awards, but they are going to just have to look fairly tidy for a week or two. Right. Here we go. Whew. Let's see. Oh, very alloy wheels. Yes. Do a light dusting. Magic in front of your very eyes. I mean, it's showing a few dents, but they were already there. What a transformation. It really is transformational. There you go. And that'll do that one. Let me bring you in. That's left me with enough for a next wheel, easily. But there you have it, look. There are some scratches and dings in it, but what a transformation. Right, see, so you've got a few dents in it, but it's no bother. Miles better. Right, let's get to the next one. So I'm gonna put some heat on this, just to help it get going. And then one down, free to go. Transformational. Right, let's get that one out of the way, take my cards back. Look at that. That took, what, 10 minutes? Wow. Lovely. Right, let's get them out of here. Let's get this one gone. Yep, that'll do. Put that here. Next one. Right, I'll spare you the pain of seeing all that again. So when you come back, you'll see this one done. Let's go. Right, that's number 2. Smells lovely. Number 1 over there. Number 2 there. No, much better than they were. Let's just say that. All right, even the dog agrees. Right, I'll bring you back. And let's say it's the same again. 2 more to go. I'll bring you back when we're done. Right, I've decided that I'm going to put these on now and then come back up later tonight and tidy up. So I'm going to time lapse it, and it's a race against the clock because I've got to go and get the little one from nursery. Right, so I've managed to do that. Sweating. Wouldn't do it this way. Would not advise it. It is not a proper job, and it is really just to get me out of a jam. So I've got some tidy wheels on it. Enough of this talking malarkey. I'm going to just show you the outcome. Yes, they have been torqued up, and I have given them a little wipe, but I want to let that paint sort of harden up a bit before I put any real products on there. So here it is. Let me flip you around. Wow. I know you can't see the wheels, but here they are. It's like I've gone back in time from having sweet, sweet alloys that now I've taken them off, they look amazing compared to these. I mean, they're night and day, but I felt maybe they need a bit of a refurb, but I haven't seen them. They probably just needed a really good clean. Right, okay, anyway, wheel, tire pressure's done. I had to let some air out. Here's the back of the PL stand. Just look at it. Wow. A bygone era of driving. They're not perfect, but they're good enough to take your eye off. Ignore the phone. So there you have it. A budget job done in a record-breaking time. Took me about 2 hours. Yeah, about 2 hours, and job done. As always, don't forget to and subscribe if you can. It helps the algorithm, helps me do more weird things like this. Okay, thanks for watching. See you again. Bye.